everyone, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a text in Microsoft Word. So what you need to do, first you open your Microsoft Word and then go straight to the Insert tab, as you can see over there by the ribbon. And by the illustrations group, click on the Smart Art. Okay, so here I will be needing the first list. You can use the all, or you click on the list, and here is the first one that I want to use, called the basic block list. Click on that and click on the OK. So here I have this square here, but I just need one of the blocks here, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one's there just by clicking at the edge of each of those square, and I will delete all of it. Now I have just one big square, so I already typed out what I want to add my image into. I would press the Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, so I want this text a little bit bold, so I will select it, go straight to the home tab, and choose in the fonts group. I'll click on that and choose the area black. Alright, so it's bold now and bigger, so that's what I want. So while it's still selected, I'm just going to hover my mouse to where I have the format tab. So in this format tab, by the word art styles, you would see that there are different sections here. Remember, I'm talking about the text, adding a picture. So I'll go to the text field, click on the text field, scroll down. There are several things you can do. You can use the text and the texture here. You can see that text in the background is changing. All right, but I just want to show you how to add a picture in the text. So I'll go with the picture. So here you would see you can get picture from icons, you can get pictures from online, but this time I want to get my picture from this computer. So I'll click on that section. I have several pictures here, but I'll go with this beautiful one with the kids. So I'll click on that and click on the insert. You see now I have added an image to the text. So this time I don't want this blue background to show, so I'll just click on the, you see, notice the lines there, so I'll click on the outer line. Now go still in the format tab, go to the shape styles group, and this is shape fill. Click on the shape fill and scroll down to where you'll see no fill. So I hope you notice what happened. So this time you have to click on the inner square there. So the inner one, go straight to the shape fill and click on no fill. So now I have the background to be white. So there are other things you can actually do. So click on that, click on the inner square there, inner layer. Okay, so let's go to where we have the shape effects. Okay, click on the shape effects. You can do quite a lot of things here. You can choose the reflection. So if I choose the last one, reflection, and scroll a little bit down, you'll see the reflection there. So Ctrl Z back to undo what I had done. Still click on the inner layer there, back to the shape effect, click on the shape effect. So this time I love the glow part, straight to the glow. So this is what I love here. All right, so you can actually have a good design, add the kind of picture you want to be in your test, okay, and it will be just there. And like I said earlier, there are two layers there. The inner one, you can actually reshape your test the way you want it. Right, if you click on the inner layer, you see what I get there, and then Ctrl Z on my keyboard to undo what I did. And then if I click on the outer layer, I can adjust the text. All right, so that is it. Ctrl Z. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and I also hope you have learned something new. If you did, okay, tell me in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video for more tutorials like this. Bye.